Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash, and today we're going to talk about replacing the trailer electrical socket. The ones that come out in the big techs are encased in like a silicone, so you can't actually do anything with them, so you got to cut it off the harness, and then you're going to strip it back about 3.5 inches, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and then strip those back about maybe 1/4 of an inch, and then the wiring diagram is actually on the plug, so it'll say blue, white, and stuff like that. You know, if your thing came unplugged because your helper didn't plug it in right and it was dragging down the road for a mile or two, and that's what happens, right? So it happens. But so the misconception here is that the white wire is thicker, that it should go in the middle plug, which is not true, okay? Read all the diagrams. It's very simple. Just go with what's on the actual plug. Okay, what's on the plug, they're written here. They're written on the actual plug, you know, blue, white, red, brown, and just go ahead and tighten those down really good. Then you slide this back over and tighten that down, and go ahead and tighten your back stop over here down. It's very simple. All you're going to need is a pair of strippers, all right, and a small screwdriver. That's it. It's very, very simple. All right, guys, have a good one. Hope that helps you out. Under Pressure Power Wash.